Richard and even my other brother came. I have two brothers.
Richard came?
Yes, and my other brother.
Yeah?
His girlfriend.
Oh, you got a two brothers.
And my two sons. His father and my oldest son.
Did you want juice?
You want juice, Papa?
You want juice?
Okay.
I was planning to stop, but we don't have a time. It was raining to buy for him something, and for you, but
just some other time.
Yeah, I will. Yeah, I will. So who else was there? Mira,
Jack
Carol.
came. No, I didn't invite Carol. I just saw her downstairs. I didn't invite her. Mira. Mira came, and Jack came. He didn't even give me a card. He said,
"Who's Jack?"
The black guy with Betty.
Oh.
Yeah.
He didn't give you a card. Nothing.
He sat there for 5 minutes. He said, "I'm going to go get my phone." He never came back.
What?
Betty came, and
Betty give you something?
Yes. Yolanda.
Yeah.
Francesca. She came and gave me something.
Who's Francesca?
The other Mexican lady.
Her name is Francesca? When is it her birthday in this month?
I don't know. I think so. Yeah, I think I saw it on the calendar. And she gave me my present. I went to put him on the counter. I turned around. She's gone. I thought maybe she went to the Cubans, but I just gave her some food. She said she apologized for not staying. She had a headache. She said she has asthma.
I have asthma too. Yeah.
Her body was hurting. She said so. She will stay. Who else?
Yeah, tomorrow I have to go for biopsy. Of my eye. Is it bad? Is it very bad?
No, it doesn't look good. Can't
They
tell.
say they have bumps.
No.
Did you see the bumps?
No.
No? I was looking through the mirror, the big mirror. I see a little bit yellow and bumps.
I guess you have to look.
Is it gone?
Maybe look closer.
Is it? Here. What's the name?
Oh, yeah, I do see.
Little bump?
One.
Yellow?
No, it's kind of pink. Right on your eyelid.
Yeah, I know.
And my two sons came, their wives, and who else came?
From here? Who was from here?
Betty, Jack, Mira, Yolanda, Al.
He give you something too?
It's 2 CDs. They were already open, and pictures that he took of me at the Halloween party.
Yeah. No card?
No. I think that's all.
That's all? Nobody else?
No.
Betty came from Mexico already?
She's back.
Yeah, I know when she went.
Yeah, Friday.
Oh, she came Friday.
Yeah.
Oh.
It's weather.
Weather is awful, yeah. It was raining. Good thing they have a car.
Well, it's better rain than snow. The rain goes away. It's not too cold.
I don't know what to say, but is it better? Snow or rain? Good thing I have these shoes. But I just... Oh my God, I have to put this on my knee. Oh my God, my knee hurts so bad. I just bought it not too long ago. Yesterday I wear first day. I forgot to put.
Tiger sleeping?
Tiger
sleeping?
Yeah, she's sleeping in the bedroom, yeah. If you want to see it.
No, that's okay. Yeah, so everything turned out good.
That's good. I'm happy. I'm glad for you. I didn't say happy birthday. Happy birthday many, many more.
Thank you.
I'll be pretty soon too.
So I got altogether $200 in money. My other brother, he gave me $100.
$100?
My cousin gave me $50, and Yolanda gave me $10. big mirror gave me 10.
Yeah.
Somebody else gave me 20. Yeah, so. And then my other friend gave me a $40 gift card.
Oh, nice.
I got some lotions, a candle. Betty gave me some turquoise necklace with earrings.
Wow,
And,
that's nice.
She gave me the candle. She gave me a fortune cookie in a little plastic container. A Chinese fortune cookie.
She
And
gave me a
some
fortune
candy.
cookie. Mary. Mira.
Oh.
Mary.
Yeah, Mira.
I don't know. They say you will bring someone some sunshine into someone's life.
Oh.
I don't know.
I need some sunshine.
I called her around maybe 1 o'clock. Now it's at 2 o'clock. This I didn't.
Oh yeah.
I didn't move
either.
it, and I said, messed up my sleep. I couldn't sleep last night.
Oh.
Yeah, when I laid out, and at night I couldn't sleep.
This is nice.
Yeah, I give mine to the Vida. She give me hers because this big phone it cannot fit in mine. Pink. She have a pink in office, right?
Oh, I don't know.
Yeah, when you go to the office, that's mine, and this is hers. I say, can I try to put my phone in your? And she say, yeah. And I said, it can't fit. This is my old phone. I don't know what I'm gonna do. That's a Sprint. But I like them better than this one, but they charge me too much. This is a Metro PCS. What kind of you have?
LG. Right. His father got me the LG phone.
LG, from which company?
I don't know.
You pay?
He pays. He pays for it.
Oh my gosh. You don't know which company?
You know, a company has.
Where's the sister? They've been here too?
She was here. She wanted to go home yesterday with her friends.
Oh. He like you. He more with you.
Yeah. When he can't come by my house, he cries.
Yeah?
He's the only boy in the house. 3 sisters. 4 sisters.
4 sisters. Wow. He's the older one or the second one, middle one?
Second
third one.
Second
Third
one. Third one.
Yeah. Oh. Are you other son? They have children?
He's got just one daughter. She's lives in the suburbs and has 5 kids.
She have a son?
No, he doesn't. He doesn't have a son. Just a daughter.
He's the only one in the family.
The only boy.
Oh, wow. And he's all the time with you. He wants to let you.
Yeah, he's been coming here since he was 3. Now he's 9.
Oh my God. Yeah, he's a big boy. I think maybe he was a 7, 8. He's a 9. Yeah, big boy. Yeah.
Yeah, time goes by too fast.
So you here 4 years or 5 years?
6.
6? Not 6. When we moved here?
2011, November. This week's going to be
Which
6
year?
years. 2011.
Wait a minute.
When I first opened up.
Oh yeah. When I go to, when my brother have a stroke first time, there was a 2012, and I was here, 2012. And that's the last time I was in Croatia. I would rather go this year, but I don't know yet.
It's a pretty lamp. Brownish.
The brown one?
Yeah, I like antiques. It looks like antiques.
I bought it from some lady, Greek lady. Somebody gave me from Hollywood House.
Oh.
The man, he gave me 2 of these. He gave me that little table over there.
Oh.
That's everything for my insurance and paper for my food stamps. I have to go. They send me application, so Monday I have to go over there to somebody fill it out for me, and then I have a 1 o'clock appointment for my optometrist. Yeah. Ophthalmologist, I think ophthalmologist. And I have to wash today my coat. Tomorrow is going to be very cold. I have to call and call face bus to take me over there. And first, oh my God, how am I going to do this? Because I want to first see and go on a public yet. See when I sometimes bother me. Oh my God. I don't know what's wrong.
No, the black lady, Myra, she gets drunk. She drinks a lot.
She what?
She drinks a lot. Alcohol.
Yeah?
Yeah, she gets drunk. One time, Betty and I, in the summer, we were sitting downstairs, you know, by the wall there.
Yeah.
And a man came in and he said, "Does this lady live here?" He said she sat on the black iron thing and she fell back. And it was raining. She was drunk. Her clothes were all wet in the back.
Oh my God.
Yeah, the security guard went out there and brought her in. She was
And get her out.
Yeah. She's done that before. She came in the party yesterday. She came in the door by the bathroom. And we had signs on the other two doors, private party. My son put them up too high. And the signs were just like this big, one too big. She came in and we told her this is a private party. We gotta have a sign on the door. I didn't see no sign. She said it 3 times. I didn't see no sign. She said, it was right there in this door. So you came in there. And then Mary, the one that comes and plays Uno with us, the one that I think I don't know if she has Down syndrome or something. Short black hair.
Oh, yeah, she's Spanish. Her husband and they speak Spanish, and she says she's not Spanish. She speaks only English. I heard that when I was by the desk.
When we were decorating, she came in. So what's going on? We told her it's a private party. Oh, I didn't know. Sorry. She left. And then when we had the party going on, the Mongolian man came in.
Oh, he top of me and the Mongolian lady, husband and wife.
Yeah, and we told him it was a private party, so he left. And then Mr. Lee came in. And it was almost over, and you know some of the people didn't show up, so I told him come on in, you know, get some food. So he just a little bit of each food. And he wished me a happy birthday.
I think he's nice.
Yeah.
I think he's very nice.
Yeah. Very friendly.
Very friendly. He wanted to. But one time I was, I was by the desk, and like wait a minute, what time was it? I don't know. I know that was afternoon. I saw that lady in the building before when I moved in. And I say, who are you fighting with? Why you don't want the lady come inside? Oh, that's my wife. She's crazy. They come together. So he come inside and then he turned around and he pulled the door for her to not come in, but they come together. I said, why you do that to that lady? That's my wife. She's crazy. She's an abuser. We're not together. But I know I see her when it was I move in. She's coming in.
Chinese.
Yeah.
Do you know if she speaks English?
I don't know, but she's pretty looking. She's looking pretty, nice looking. He said he gave her 3 sons.
Yeah, the doctors and fathers.
Yeah, all the doctors.
That's good.
I know that Myra, my God, I was come home. I've been in the store. She washing clothes. You want something?
You want Myra?
Myra, yeah. Myra. Which one is drunk?
Oh, that one, okay. Yeah.
What's her name?
Yeah, Myra.
Myra.
I thought you were talking about Myra.
No, Myra I call Mary.